Tired of the same old Linux distributions? Pop! OS 24.04 is taking the world by storm, and you might be wondering why. Dive into 5 key reasons why this OS is attracting so much attention and becoming a favorite among users. Number 1. The rise of Pop! OS 24.04. Since its debut in October 2021, Pop! OS has steadily climbed the ranks of Linux distributions, driven by System 76's commitment to professional and creative users. With the 24.04 release now based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, it inherits long-term support and stability while showcasing a brand new Rust-powered Cosmic desktop in alpha form. Industry observers note Pop! OS's growing popularity among gamers and engineers, highlighting its niche appeal for specialized workflows. Number 2. A next-level user experience. Pop! OS 24.04 brings Cosmic System 76's in-house desktop environment out of the experimental lab and into your hands. Written from scratch in Rust, Cosmic offers a modern, responsive UI with intuitive auto-tiling, customizable panels, dock and top bar, and a refined compositor supporting snapping, stacking, and sticky windows. These enhancements deliver smooth animations and fluid workspace navigation that make chores feel effortless. Number 3. Unmatched customization power. Whether you're a power user or a tinkerer, Pop! OS puts control at your fingertips. The Pop Shop features a curated library of applications and extensions, and COSMIC's theming system lets you share and apply complete desktop themes with a single click. Choose vertical or horizontal workspaces, tweak panel opacity, or swap icon sets. Pop! OS adapts to your aesthetic and workflow preferences without compromise. Number 4. Blistering performance and AMP, rock-solid reliability. Built atop the latest Linux kernel, 6.8+, and Ubuntu's LTS core, Pop! OS 24.04 delivers out-of-the-box optimizations for both desktop and laptop systems. Its advanced hybrid graphics manager seamlessly switches between integrated and NVIDIA GPUs, eliminating the friction that plagues many Linux setups. Proprietary drivers are pre-integrated and fine-tuned, ensuring stability under heavy workloads, whether you're rendering video, compiling code, or gaming. Number 5. A thriving community and AMP, dedicated support. Pop! OS benefits from an active, engaged community that shares themes, scripts, and troubleshooting tips across forums and Reddit. System 76 backs this with comprehensive documentation, video tutorials, and prompt updates. Thanks to its Ubuntu LTS Foundation, security patches and feature enhancements roll out predictably over the next 5 years. Looking ahead, System 76 has announced plans for touchscreen support, expanded Cosmic tooling, and deeper integration with cloud workflows. Looking for a sleek, powerful, and user-friendly Linux distro? Pop! OS 24.04 delivers on all fronts. From its Rust-driven Cosmic desktop to robust graphics support and community-driven growth, these 5 reasons make it a game-changer for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Try Pop! OS 24.04 today and elevate your computing experience.